Hey y'all, welcome back to another recipe. In today's video, we're making a very easy peasy Korean rice and beef recipe. It's so good, you guys. And if you are new here, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, like the video for me, please. Without further ado, let's make it. Like I said, this recipe is so easy. I am starting with 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Then I'll go add my ground beef. I'm using about half a pound, I believe. The measurement will be down below. Check that out. And also, you guys, we're going to cook this until it's nice and crispy before you add any seasoning. Yes, you heard me, nice and crispy. You want to get this very nice and crispy until all of the ground beef are crispy. And make sure you break your ground beef down because you don't want them to end up into like clumps of ground beef. Once it is done cooking, honey, it should look something like this, nice and crispy. We're going to drain out the grease. Yes, I added the oil. It's for the flavor, by the way. We're going to drain out the grease just like so. In this cup right here, we're going to add soy sauce, a little bit of brown sugar, garlic, ginger, with a little bit of dry pepper flakes. Mix it all up together, and then we're going to pour it into our ground beef. We're going to give it a quick mix, let it simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. It should look a little bit thicker, just like this. Basically, this is it. It's so easy, you guys, and it tastes amazing. It's really, really good. No salt needed because your soy sauce already has lots of sodium in there. And basically just pour it over rice. Like I said, this is a Korean recipe. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up for me. Let's get the video to 500 likes. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Do not forget to subscribe. Also, guys, thumbs up for me, please. Thumbs up, thumbs up. I'll see you guys in a different video tomorrow. And I couldn't wait to dig in. So I'm about to eat this. I'll see you soon. Bye.